Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage dependencies with Codeium. Codeium's AI-powered features can help streamline your dependency management and keeping your projects organized. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your project in your code editor. Codeium integrates with various package managers and dependency management tools to provide real-time assistance. Start by adding or updating dependencies in your project. Codeium can suggest relevant libraries and packages based on your requirements, helping you find the best options quickly. As you edit your dependency configuration files such as package.json, pom.xml, or cargo.toml, Codeium will offer suggestions and auto-completions to ensure you are using the correct versions and formats. Codeium can help you resolve conflicts and version issues by providing recommendations for compatible versions and resolving dependency mismatches. Use Codeium's intelligent suggestions to simplify the process of managing and updating dependencies. It can provide insights on the latest versions and best practices for handling dependencies. Regularly review and update your dependencies to ensure you are using the latest, most secure versions. Codeium can help you keep track of updates and make recommendations for necessary changes. To customize Codeium's behavior for dependency management, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language-specific settings. Integrate Codeium into your build and CI or CD pipelines to automate dependency management tasks. This can help ensure that your dependencies are always up to date and your builds are consistent. Review Codeium's documentation and support resources for additional tips and guidelines on managing dependencies effectively within your projects. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to manage dependencies with Codeium. This tool can make dependency management more efficient and help keep your projects running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.